Good morning, and we have started today's assembly with a view of a magnificent cake, and the cake says, as you will have seen from the photograph, "Thank you for the best year ever," which makes quite interesting reading given the situation we have found ourselves in during the course of this year. But that's not the point. The point is that we were presented with that magnificent cake by a boy in year 6 who joined us for just 1 year, his final year of primary prep school education, and it means a huge amount to me that at this stage he looks back on that year that he spent at West House and describes it as the best year ever. So thank you, Jawad, very, very much indeed. That means a great deal to me, and it means a great deal to my colleagues. As for this morning's assembly, it is of course celebration time, where we once again join together celebrating each other's successes by handing out some commendations. There'll be commendations today, there'll be commendations next Wednesday, and then of course at the end of next week we will be having our usual prize giving presented in a slightly different format. So commendations this morning go to the following. Matilda P. in preschool for excellent phonics work and recognising tricky words. Very well done, Matilda. Also in preschool, Luke K. showing persistence and determination in his work. And Kirat D, excellent progress in phonics, so well done to all of you. In reception, we have a commendation for Sahil N for music assembly, and in year 1, we have commendations for the following. Rishi I for story writing, a book inspired by the famous 5. Very well done, Rishi. Nirvan S for thoughtfulness, Charlie Z for maths, Kian AU for maths, Yusuf M for descriptive writing, Same P for maths, and Rui Y for music assembly. In year 2, we have commendations for Joshua R for music assembly and super craft work, Feroz K for independent work in maths, very well done, Jivan B for English, Yuvraj D for art, and Tahid C for geography. In year 3, Ariem for continuation of excellent work, Abdullah A for history, Thomas H for poetry, Yusuf T for poetry, and Mahan C also for poetry, so very well done to you. Year 4, just one commendation this week, year 4, an important one, Rithik R for improved handwriting, so very well done. Year 5 commendations, Yilin C for a music assembly, and then 3 commendations for English, a very, very tricky comprehension the boys did, the myth of the mountain folk, and the following boys did extremely well in that tricky comprehension, thus getting commendations: Aidan B, Sammy K, and Daniel L. And finally for this morning, in year 6, commendations go to Carlo N for careful work, Milo PD for reading with clarity, fluency and expression, Eddie C, contribution to discussions in science and English, Noah S for good work in English and science, and then finally for this morning, Idris S for your work in maths. Wonderful, wonderful set of commendations for all sorts of different things this morning, so very well done to you all.